To this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain problems on oscillations and waves, which comes under module number 1 of engineering physics prescribed by VTU. Now let us go to the problems. So now first, in the previous slide I was discussed up to problem number 6. Now this is a continuation part of the problems. So now let us start with problem number 7. So problem number 7, a mass of 200 gram is attached to a spring of negligible mass and the system is set for vibrations. If the damping constant for the system is 0.16 kg per second, then what will be the time required for the vibration amplitude to decay to 1 by E of its starting amplitude? Estimate the number of vibrations the body executes. Meanwhile, if the force constant is 126 Newton per meter, assume the damping to be very small. So the given data is M is 200 grams or 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. And the value of R is given as 0.16 kg per second. That's what the value of damping constant. And the force constant K is given as 126 Newton per second. So this is what the values given here, and we know that A is equal to A by small e, and what is the value of T and what is the value of omega. In the damped vibration, the amplitude is written as A into e to the power of minus R by 2m into T. So this is the formula. If A be the amplitude at T is equal to 0, then A can be written as A into e to the power of minus R by 2m into T, or that is equal to A into e to the power of minus R by 2m into 0, or A into e to the power of minus 0. So e power minus 0 stands 1, therefore the value of A becomes small a. So this is what the value of A that we can calculate. Further, if T be the time taken for the amplitude to decay, that is 1 by E times A, then we can write 1 by E times A is equal to A into e to the power of minus R by 2m into T dash. Then e to the power of minus R by 2m into T dash is written as e to the power of minus 1. Further, minus R by 2m into T dash is equal to minus 1. Therefore, T dash is equal to 2m by R. Substitute the value of m and r in the formula, then the value of T dash becomes 2.5 seconds. Also, we know that omega is equal to square root of k by m. That's equal to, so substitute the value of k and then m here, that is k is 126, m is 200 grams. So on simplification, the value of omega is going to be 25 hertz. So this is what the solution for the given problem. Problem number 8. A tuning fork has a natural frequency of 512 Hz. A periodic force per unit mass is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 Newton per kg acts on it. Calculate the maximum amplitude attained by the fork if the damping per unit mass is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians per second. So here the value of F by m is given as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 Newton per kg, and the frequency mu is given as 512 Hz, and the value of 2b is equal to R by m given as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians per second, and you have to calculate what is the value of A max. So we know that A max is equal to F by m divided by 2b omega. So substitute the value of b and omega here, that is 2b value as well as omega. So omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Then on simplification, by substituting the value of 2b as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and the value of mu as phi 12, and on simplification the value of A max is calculated as 7.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter or 0.777 millimeter. So this is what the solution for the given problem. So here the value of F by M is given, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg, and the value of mu is phi 12 hertz, and the value of 2B is R by M, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 radians per second, and we can able to calculate the value of A max using the formula F by M divided by 2 B omega. So substitute the value of 2B and omega and also F by M values. Then on simplification the value of A max is found to be 0.777 millimeter. So this is what the solution of this problem. A vibrating system, this is a problem number 9. A vibrating system of natural frequency 640 cycles per second is forced to vibrate with a periodic force per unit mass of amplitude is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton per kg in the presence of damping per unit mass of about say 0.001. Calculate the maximum amplitude of vibration of the system. So here mu is given as 640 cycles per second, and the value of F by M is 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per kg, and the value of 2B is equal to R by M, that is equal to 0.001. So calculate the value of A max. So we know that A max is equal to F by M divided by 2B omega. So substitute the value of 2B and omega here, and also the value of F by M. Then on simplification we will get the value of A max is equal to 0.0124 meter, or it is equal to 0.01 meters. So that's what the solution for the given problem. Next, problem number 10. A free particle is executing simple harmonic motion in a straight line with a period of 25 seconds. 5 seconds after it has crossed the equilibrium point. The velocity is found to be 0.7 meter per second. Find the displacement at the end of 10 seconds and also the amplitude of oscillations. So here period is given as 25 seconds and the velocity is 0.7 meter per second and t1 value is 5 seconds. What is the value of A and X here? At t is equal to 10 seconds. So we know that omega is equal to 2 pi by t. Further A is equal to Vt by 2 pi into cos 2 pi by t into t. So on simplification by substituting the given data, the value of A is calculated as 9.013 meter. Further the displacement x is given by A sin omega t, or that is nothing but 10 sin 2 pi by 25 into 10. So on simplification the value of x is found to be 5.3 meter. So this is what the solution for the given problem. So here the value of period is 25 seconds and the velocity is 0.7 meter per second and time taken is 5 seconds, and what is the maximum amplitude and also displacement after t is 10 seconds. So that is at the end of 10 seconds. So the value of A is given by Vt by 2 pi cos 2 pi by t into t. So substitute the values and calculate the value of A as 9.013 meter and displacement x is given by A sin omega t. So substitute the value of A and omega t here. Then on simplification the value of x is found to be 5.3 meter. So this is what the solution for the given problem. So the problem number 11 is a spring undergoes an extension of 5 centimeter for a load of 50 grams. Find its force constant, angular frequency and frequency of oscillation if it is set for vertical oscillations with a load of 200 grams attached to its bottom. Ignore the mass of the spring. So the value of x, that is extension observed, is 5 centimeter, or which is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, and the mass attached is 50 grams, that is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg, and the force is calculated as mass into acceleration due to gravity, that is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9.8, so many newtons. And here we are asked to calculate what is force constant K. So as per the calculations, we know that K is equal to F by X. F is nothing but 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9.8 divided by X is extension, that is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So the force constant calculated as 9.8 Newton per meter. Further, the value of omega is found to be square root of K by M. So the value of K is written as 9.8 divided by 200 grams. So on simplification, the value of omega is found to be 7 radians per second. And further, the frequency mu is equal to omega by 2 pi. So omega is 7, and when it is divided by 2 pi, the value of frequency is found to be 1.114 hertz. So this is what the solution for the given problem. So thank you.